Hello friends, this is Dr. Neeta, CEO, MD of Neeta Training and Consulting Services. So NTCS provides training and certificate courses for pre-primary and primary teachers training. We provide around 50 certificate courses and diploma courses to train the teachers with techniques required in their field, present in and around 20 locations in Pune. And we are in a mission to develop 1 million teachers for the nation by 2030. Going as per new normal, we needed a solution where we can achieve our mission with our candidates being safe and learning at home and at their pace. For this to achieve, we needed a learning solution which can help us manage our sessions, students, and online exam efficiently. So we came across OJIS learning solution, and this system helped us to streamline our batches course wise. Students were able to register online, then classes and payments reminders for fees as well. We could do registration of the student, their course subscription was also easy and done, and importantly we could set up notification for students for their upcoming all the classes, all their payment reminders and everything. So these are all things actually we could manage because now it's needed. It's a time wherein we have come across online. A few years back, or even if you'll see the situation last year, people were not that much open for online courses and all these online things. But now after lockdown, actually situation or scenario came after this pandemic, that we have to come online and we have to actually search for all these kind of options, and that's how actually we tried, and actually we got a lot of success. Even our students are very happy when they are getting the results in immediately. Otherwise what used to happen is I used to take the exam, but even because of my busy schedule I could not check their papers, and many of the time student asked, ma'am, marks kitne mile, and I could not actually give them their result immediately. But now here instantly, once they give their exam and they do submit, they got their result, so they are all are very happy. So online test could be created and scheduled according to the topic and completion time. Students were able to review their test answer immediately after giving the test, and this was most needed for future, where our students can upload their topics, assignments, and we could check it in our instructors panel. So importantly, the support from OLMS team is appreciated. Any new feature or updates or support regarding the system was addressed immediately. So we thank OJIS Learning Solution, online learning management system software they have created, and my best wishes to them. I'm very thankful to them for support they have given. Even all the team members are very helpful. As and when whatever problem arises, they immediately sort it out. Even they help to students also individually. My personally I recommend all of you that really they are doing wonderful job, and from them we have got a lot of support. So thank you OJIS, and my best wishes. Hope you grow, you got a lot of success in your learning management system software. So thank you very much.